You may have noticed we haven't released a video in a few weeks, and that's because me and Chris have been traveling around California, collecting a variety of resources and doing a few collaborations along the way with a bunch of new content we have coming up. I've collected about a dozen resources of different minerals and plants, from copper ore for bronze casting, borax to hopefully finally master optically clear glass, and sulfur for 4th of July video. The collection of copper that also begins to open the door for what is likely going to be my major goal for 2019, electricity. And with that in mind, I've done a tour of a variety of different methods of generating electricity that I may attempt to recreate myself. Out here, I had the opportunity to collaborate with William Osman, who joined me on doing some additional gold panning with Alan in the California hills, and with Physics Girl, who I did a couple experiments with in anticipation of my forthcoming videos of making sunscreen and also a camera from scratch. Right now, I'm in the last leg of my trip to California before I head home and return back to normal releases. But before that, I have one last announcement. I might have a TV show. This February, we had the opportunity to film a TV pilot for a food-based derivative of the series on Food Network, where I make s'mores from scratch. This pilot ends up retracing a few steps I've done before, such as making chocolate with some of the same people in Tapachula, Mexico. In fact, I got to see the tree I planted there 2 years ago.
Still not quite producing cacao. Guess I'll have to just come back another 2 years later.
The pilot will be airing this Sunday at 10 p.m. Central Time. And if it does well there, they'll then try it out on the Food Network, and if it's well received, it could then be picked up for a full series. This TV series is very much in the same vein as this channel, and we negotiated really hard to be able to maintain our creative control and input of all three of us to maintain our own voices in it, and that we'd be able to continue the YouTube channel as it is. So if you can, watch our pilot. Once again, it's on Sunday, 10 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Pacific, 11 p.m. Eastern. Be sure to check it out and help us expand to another medium.